Hello viewers, I am Ayan. You are watching Ayan Corner. Today I am going to show you egg rice by using the leftover rice. From the thumbnail you have got it. You how to cook? Can we cook using the leftover rice? Yes, we can cook the food using the leftover rice. If you are a new viewer, please do subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Please share this video as it is a new channel. If you do not share the video, then I cannot grow it much. But if you share the video, then I will grow and you will going to get a new videos. So please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. And you can in the description box there is the link of my social profile like Facebook and Instagram. If you want, you can like and follow it there also. You will get more updates about my next video there. So what are you waiting for? Let's start the video. For making egg rice, we need the leftover rice. Here you can see I have taken around 3 to 4 cups of leftover rice and 2 eggs, and there is 1 medium sized chopped onion and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Now we are going to heat the pan at high heat. Once it becomes hot, I will put around 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Wait for heating the oil. I will put the eggs over here. After heating the oil, I will put some chopped garlic. The flame is now at low and medium flame. Then I will put some mustard seeds. Little bit of red chili powder, and then I will give 4 to 6 leaves of curry leaf. After this, I will give the chopped onion. And little bit of salt. I will wait for the onions to be softened. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. And you will get the ingredients on the description box. And there is also my Facebook profile and Instagram profile. If you want, you can follow there also. As I have given the salt, it will quickly become soft. Now you can see the onions has become soft. Now I am going to add the rice over here. Just keep it aside in the fry. The eggs. If you fry the eggs now, it will blend the flavor of these onions. Slowly break the eggs. Make the flame low. And keep it on one side. Here I am using another egg. You will go slowly breaking and keep it aside. So done. So easily it's completed. You can serve it with anything. You can eat it as it is, or you can serve it with pickle, or you can serve it with chicken or anything.